Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has reviewed the progress of the ongoing construction at Tura Medical College and reportedly expressed satisfaction with the pace of development. According to officials, the Chief Minister indicated that nearly 80% of the civil work has been completed and stated that the college infrastructure is expected to be largely ready within the current calendar year. He is said to have conveyed confidence that the institution could be operational by the next academic session. Government sources said that regular reviews are being conducted to monitor the construction progress and ensure deadlines are met. The Chief Minister reportedly emphasized the administration's commitment to commencing academic activities at the college as soon as possible. He also noted that while the ownership of Tura Medical College will remain with the government, possible collaborations are being considered for its management and operations. The Chief Minister has reiterated the state's focus on building a comprehensive and inclusive healthcare system to deliver quality services across all regions.
Oh, library, yes, sorry, library. This is how it should be actually, in the old style as per MCI norms. So there are 4 classrooms, each of 125 as per the old MSR. It's about 125. Easily it can take more than 200. So there are 4 classrooms. See the size of the classrooms.
Yeah.
Can you see, sir? There are 4 of them.
Can we go up there?
Yes,
Yeah,
we'll
yeah,
go there.
yeah.
We'll go there. Just to give an idea, sir. So this is the main building.
Just better, no? And a slope in the floor.
On the
This is not part of
Then
it.
go there. Then we can make so that the collapses will be collapses. White wall. Professor will be teaching from there. Or class में 50 आना 60 से
So we are here in the construction site of the Tura Medical College, and as per the reports given by the team working here, close to 80% of the physical work, the civil work is done, and the work is going on at a satisfactory pace, and we do expect that within this calendar year we should be able to complete the structure as well as major part of the interiors, because our target is to start the Tura Medical College in the next academic year, which is 2026 September, and for that also we are process to select different partners is also under process, and so based on that target I have come to review the working out here. We need to pick up the pace a bit, and I'm sure that we'll be able to meet the targets. As mentioned earlier, we are in the process of working towards getting a partnership to run the management of this hospital. The ownership of the hospital will remain with the government. The functioning of the civil hospital will be completely independent and running with the government, in the control of the government. And the partners who come in will mainly be only for the process of managing the overall medical college. So it's in that kind of model that we want to move forward, and majority of the seats also in the hospital in this particular medical college will also be kept with the government, so that we can give it to the students of our state. So this is the status of this project, and we hope that things will move in a positive direction and we'll be able to meet the deadlines.